Hello folks, as I always tell you, once again we are back with this voluminous exercise 6.5. We are almost done, but then we have these 2-3 problems, the MCQs which are left. Though they are MCQs, they are actually little voluminous and you need to know lots about the concept, then only you are able to do the problem. So that is why let's start right away. It's a problem number 27 that we have to take, and it says that there is a curve x squared equal to 2y which is nearest to the point 0,5. You have to find out which is the point which is nearest to 0,5. It's a MCQ question, so we have to do it very tactfully. They tell us that this is a parabola which is of the type x squared equal to 2y, and this is your curve, and they say that there is this point 0,5. You have to find the point on the curve which is closest. Now it's very clear to us that if the point has to be closest, there is this concept of shortest distance, and hence the perpendicularity, all that is coming into play. So actually, we assume that suppose say if HK is the point which is shortest, it is very clear to us that this distance and the tangent at that particular point has to be perpendicular. Only then it can be the shortest distance between the point 0,5 and the so-called point HK. So HK is a point which we are supposing that is going to be closest to this point 0,5. If we could call this as A and B for our convenience, let BHK, B with coordinate HK, be the point closest to A with coordinate 0,5. That's what they say, na? Nearest. Oh, that's it. So now what we do is, as I told you, I was mentioning you earlier that the concept of closeness, it also means that this distance AB has to be perpendicular to the tangent at that point HK. So which means that these two, the tangent and the AB, their slopes are going to be, the product is going to be -1, because that is what happens when you have two lines perpendicular. So automatically you have to catch hold of their slopes and then get across doing the work. So because we require the slopes, let's find them separately and then match it up together. Let's find out slope of AB. Slope of AB we all know is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then in that case it is k minus phi over h minus 0. So k or minus phi over h is the slope of AB. The slope of this tangent is always dy by dx. So slope of tangent is dy by dx. Now the curve is x squared equal to 2y. If you are finding the dy by dx, taking the derivative with respect to x on both sides, it is 2x, 2 times dy by dx. So dy by dx is x, but our point is hk. Yeah, it is at the point hk, so x is going to be h. So therefore, the slope of the tangent is going to be h for us. So that's how the working is. So you have got now slope of AB and slope of tangent. So we can write that since AB is perpendicular to the tangent, so therefore we can have the slopes product will be -1. We know it, m1 times m2 is -1, that way. So we are going to get like we are using the logic m1 times m2 is -1. So m1 for us is k minus phi over h, and m2 for us is h, which is -1. So conveniently for us the h is cancelling. K minus phi is -1. K will become -1 plus phi, which is 4. Now, had it been a conventional question, what we would have done is, we would have substituted this k equal to 4. Anyhow, hk is a point on x squared equal to 2y. So, therefore, you have to substitute k there and get the value of h and actually get the coordinate. That you have to do in a conventional problem. But this is an MCQ where you've got options. So, that is why we will catch hold of the correct option where k is 4. Now, if you look at the 4 options, one option is root 2 root 2 4. Next is 2 root 2 0, next is 0 0, and then 2 2. So there is only one option with the y coordinate as 4, and that is the A1. So that is why, since you have got the y coordinate as 4, your option A is correct. And what is that option A? Option A is 2 root 2 and 4. So though we have not found this out, it's clear because none of the other options have got the k as 4. So with the help of that, we will be able to get this. So the option A is the correct answer for 27. That's a beautiful question. So that's all for this video. Maybe for the 28th question, let's have a fresh video. So we meet in the next video. Thank you.